Hey, good afternoon. We're about to check out 208 Hoover Road in Mebane, North Carolina. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath located in Mebane on a beautiful wooded lot with a nice front yard, big front porch. We'll go inside and check it out. Okay. Got a good sized living room with tall ceilings, ceiling fan. We got gas log fireplace, luxury vinyl tile floor. Good sized eat-in kitchen. Little bay window. Nice kitchen, plenty of cabinets. Does come with a refrigerator, the range, dishwasher, and microwave. Look at the tile backsplash on that. That's nice. What I really love this house is this back porch. This back porch was just recently rebuilt. Big back porch overlooking this wooded backyard. The home is on central heat and air. Does have a storage building in the backyard for stuff. Yeah, back porch is nice. We'll go inside and check out the bedrooms. Alright, so we got the hallway bath here. Really pretty paint color. Nice and clean bathroom. This bedroom, it's a good size secondary bedroom. Does have walk-in closet. Does come with a ceiling fan. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans, which is a nice little feature. It's the other bedroom. And then it's split down the hallway here. Got a laundry closet. So we got indoor washer and dryer connection. And we're in the primary bedroom. Good size primary with an ensuite bath. Big jacuzzi tub. Toilet, separated stand-up shower. Nice flooring. And the walk-in closet. Again, this is 208 Hoover Road in Mebane, North Carolina. Contact AHB Realty and Property Management for more information.